Because your water pressure is too low, you have to turn on the water pump. When you collect the water, you must use the pump, otherwise you will not got enough pressure for the water. This is the plug for the water. Its power supply is here. You can turn on, and from the back there is a switch here if you can feel the thing. Let's start from the beginning. The pump now installed under the drain. When you start to use, you can turn on, and it will be start to flush in the RO and prepare RO water. At this moment, you can start to hear the pump has started to working quite noisy. When the RO membrane finish flushing 3 minutes, you can start to collect your DI water and RO water. The RO water recently you can send the conductivity. Then for the UP water, you can also send to control your water quality. The scent will be doing here. You go in here, you go into the language page, then you enter. You will go into the password. Enter the password to increase to 85. You will key in the system setting. You click enter. You will go parameter setting. Click enter. There will be several parameters you can set: alarm setting, calendar, product, unit. You can choose the most familiar with you to set. Recently, we are using the parameter is in mag/ohm/cm, and for the RO water we are using microS per cm. So if you are not familiar with, you can send other unit based on the system inside. We can go alarm setting here to control your water quality. Most is come from 2 parameters. This is now I sent all in the maximum to use. You can use up and down key to choose DS alarm. If you don't need such high DI water, you can send this one to low. Lower the resistance will be lower, so you will got lower quality water, but will longer your DI water column life. And for others, RO also will be control the quality. Recently we are setting at 5. If you don't need such high water, you can choose 10 or 20 based on your require. After that, you click enter. You can use up down key to send. After send, you click enter. If you finish the setting, you can click menu key to exit until the major page. Then the system will start to prepare your water. The flushing 3 minutes. After that, you can start to collect water, collect RO and collect UP. UP water at the beginning will flush in quite some lower quality water. You can collect that part of water for other purpose use, and collect the most highly spec water for your high spec use. This one after finish, you can close it to forbid contamination. We can see after 3 minutes, we collect the UP water to see what we can got. When the water was start ready to use, you can start to collect your water. So because I didn't got the RO water to be collected, I collected UP water. At the beginning, you are not confirmed, you can try it. And when the value is come to higher, to reach to the quality, you can start to collect the one that fit for your require. But this one is already very pure, so you can collect this water and apply for lower require, like prepare solution and doing your reaction. And when the value reach to 18, then you can use that for your IPC mass. If you have got enough water for use to protect your system, you can click the stop menu. Then the system will stop. At this moment, you will hear that the pump stop flashing, and when you want to use again later, you can click enter key twice. Then the system will restart. You can do in that way to protect your system. At this moment, when the pressure required, the pump will automatically start to use.